Hello, hello, hello. Hi, I am back. Ciao, Bellas. Ciao, Bellas. I'm Natalie Mack, and I want to talk with you just today, a quick few minutes, all right, about Premiere, the Premiere app, Paparazzi's Premiere app versus Shopify versus CommentSold. So first, please make sure that you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I have several other recordings that are on the YouTube, and hopefully they bless you. Please leave me some comments and share with teams and anyone else that you feel this would be useful. Okay, so let's get going. Let's get going. I'll be glancing over here at some notes that I have, but I wanted to go ahead and just do this because I've gotten a few questions and I'm just going to share my perspective. I was not a beta tester. I am new to this, like just most everyone else, all right? But this is just some thoughts, and I thought it would be helpful to just kind of share my thoughts and unpack them and, give me some feedback, some comments, and let me know what you decided, all right? Because this is awesome. The Paparazzi Premiere app is fantastic from what I've seen, and I just have some thoughts about that versus Shopify versus CommentSold because I have all three, all right? So for those who don't know, and maybe you already do know, right? Because a lot of the trainings, the information is available. The dorks have done an incredible, great job with all of that, as does Paparazzi in general. So Premiere is the app that Paparazzi just released to those who attended convention, okay? They have said it should be released soon to all others. And as of now, from what I see, it functions mainly to maintain your inventory, which is a big deal, you all. You can use it for point of sale, or commonly known as POS. So when you're out vending, that makes it really easy for you to quickly ring up someone and they can pay and they can shop your entire inventory. Also online as an online store. So those are the three main things as of now that I see. Functions as an inventory management system. You can use it for point of sale, and your customers or anyone else who will become a customer can shop it as an online store. Now, Paparazzi has said that they do plan on expanding, and there'll be other features, but I can't speak to that, and I don't know what those will be and when that will happen. So one of the good things, like really, really awesome things is what I should call it, is that your Paparazzi orders, those that you make when you go into your back office and you shop, those orders can easily be synced over into your app. Really, really super duper quick without like any of the work that you used to have to do, even the work that you have to do to get your inventory into Shopify or CommentSold. So it's really, really super duper quick. Okay. I'm going to just show you real quickly my app. I'm going to show you my Shopify, my front, and CommentSold for those who just like, sometimes people haven't even seen and they're like, what's Shopify? What does it look like? All right. So that is oh, and the last thing I wanted to mention, as of now with the Paparazzi Premiere, you are given a URL. So that URL, you can easily put in emails, you can post on Facebook, you can text message, you can send them in messengers, anywhere that anyone can click on a link, you can get it, and it takes them directly to your Paparazzi Premiere app, your online store, and they can shop. Okay, so that's super duper fantastic and awesome. What I have not seen yet, okay, is that it is not searchable on search engines. So that is a factor that has implications that you need to look into and to consider. Now, I have done some trainings here on my YouTube channel about search engine optimization, Shopify, some other things. I do intend to do more as I can as time permits, but I do want to mention that that has particular implications that you want to consider. Not good, not bad, okay? But just something that you want to consider. And again, these are all my opinions, right? As a consultant, I am not speaking for Paparazzi because they do an awesome job at doing that as well. So hopefully you're getting the trainings directly from them. This is just my opinions and my insights and thoughts, okay? Just to be sure that I've said that. So All right, now let's switch to Shopify. Shopify is an online store platform which allows customers to shop online, just like Premier allows customers to shop. And you also have point of sale capabilities, just like the Premier app does. Now, I should go back and say Premier is $7.50 a year, right? To get started. That's it. Now, if you want to add your shipping capabilities through, I think it's Ship Easy, which is awesome. And you get a great benefit that you don't have to weigh your inventory like you do now. All the pieces are automatically weighed. The weight is already inputted. And so when you pay the $19.99, I think it is a month for Ship Easy with the Paparazzi Premier app, it is an easy thing for you because you don't have to weigh your pieces. So it just depends on how much time you have and convenience and what you want to do. All of these things are tax write-offs, right? So consult your tax accountant, but for me, I consider them tax write-offs is what I should say. So let's go back to Shopify, what I was saying. And so it has the same capabilities. You have your online store and a point of sale, right? That you have with your Premier app. Shopify also syncs to Facebook and it syncs to CommentSold, unlike the Paparazzi Premier app currently. Now again, Paparazzi has said that there will be probably likely advanced features. I don't know what those are going to be, but for right now, from what I've seen, the Premier app does not sync to Facebook nor to CommentSold. So it really depends on where you are, what you want. Okay, now let me keep going. Shopify is $29 a month, but they do have a lesser cost version. I think it's maybe around $9.99. It's under $10. It doesn't have as many capabilities, but like if you're just getting started and you just want to input your inventory, then it's not a bad deal just to get your feet wet, because the more inventory you have, the longer it takes, right? That just makes sense. So don't wait till you have inventory and you got to get it in there, because although I do a quick import, I don't use an Excel to import my orders from Paparazzi into my Shopify. I have a quicker way of doing it that a lot of people already probably use as well, but it still takes a little bit of time. So you don't want to wait. That's a sidebar. Don't wait. If you have inventory and you don't want to pay the $29, then you want to, maybe I think it's like under $10 to get the light version, the LIT, Shopify Lite. I'm looking at my notes to make sure. Okay, so, and again, you can fairly quickly upload your orders from Paparazzi into Shopify, but not nearly as fast as with the Premier app. The Premier app is like golden. Oh my gosh, like, wow. If it would sync to Facebook and if I could use it live, wow. So, and maybe it will be in the future. I don't know. Again, I can't speak to that. So CommentSold, for those who don't know, and I get asked, what in the world's CommentSold, or what I call it CS, like a lot of people do. It's a live selling platform which allows you to go live on Facebook and Instagram, right? Its lowest price per month is $49 a month. And that gives you quite a bit. That's the one I have, and I'm satisfied with it. But listen, you can expand the capabilities of CommentSold, pay more per month, and you can get your own app, which allows people to shop live when you are live by really just literally, instead of commenting a word or number, they just touch the picture and then it can go into the cart. So and people love that too, right? Apps people love. So it's ingenious, Paparazzi coming out with an app. All right, so if you have a Shopify store, you can also easily sync your inventory from Shopify into CommentSold. So decisions, right? So you might be saying, so what are you going to do? Right now, with the information that I have, hoping for advanced features from Premier in the future. When that is, don't know what those will be, don't know. Can't speak to that. I'm thankful, Paparazzi, for what you've given us. But for now, I plan to keep my Shopify. For those who are on search engines looking for Paparazzi jewelry, that would be search engines are Google, Bing, those are called search engines. So for those who are search engines who are looking for paparazzi jewelry or looking for jewelry, period, and they find me, all right. Those people who don't know me yet, those people that don't know me, so I can't give them my Paparazzi Premier URL link. So I'm going to keep my comments so because I go live, right? And so it's a game changer for me because although, I don't sell as much as I hope to sell in the future, right? And I do need to show up more. I wear several hats as a homeschooler. I speak, I wrote a book, I travel to speak, a lot of things going on that I love. And so what does that mean? I'm not live as frequently as I want to be, but I'm working on that, right? With God's help to streamline and bring it all together. So having said that though, when I do go live, I don't have a lot of time to put things in carts and invoice people. And so for me, it's worth the $49 a month. All right. And I'm going to continue obviously with Paparazzi Premier, because that's a game changer too, because for customers that I currently have who like don't have time to watch the Facebook Live, the Premier app is easy and quick to give that URL out for them to shop. I think it's quicker and easier than the Shopify, even though Shopify is like awesome too. But I think it's quicker for people. Just the idea of an app, I think makes people feel like, oh, this is going to be really quick, right? Quite honestly, Shopify shopping could be just that quick, but it is the app feature that just kind of helps people conceptualize that they're going to be able to get in and out, get their goodies, right? And get out. So decisions to make. So you have to decide, but I just kind of wanted to come live, share, do a recording, share my perspective, just me, right? And I'm sure there's others that have other perspectives, which will be very valuable for all of us to hear as we're navigating this new system. But I shout out Paparazzi. I'm so excited about that. If you're watching and you're interested in the opportunity, definitely message me. You can email me at bellabling@gmail.com, or you can put info in the comments. I would love to chat with you, talk to you about the opportunity. What else do I need to say? Oh, I did say I was going to share my screen. So let's get that happening here. Okay. Share my screen. Okay, so where are we now? We are on the Paparazzi Premier, right? So this says Natalie Mack Store. From what I got from the trainings, your picture and your story will be inputted here. Okay, so that's the same as what is on my consultant website. So you see here, Paparazzi Premier. And so the categories are here: necklaces, bracelets, rings, earrings, uniquely urban, life of the party. And so I'm not sure yet. I'm still new, so sorry. There may be a fashion fix category, but if not, these are the categories, so you can't really do anything to change them as of yet. But look how quickly people can just like do their thing, right? And I have not input all of my inventory from Shopify yet. I will be watching Danielle Baker's training on how to do that with using the CSV. So you go into your Shopify and you export your CSV, and then she goes through very detailed explanations of how to do it. Just make sure you pay attention and go step by step. That's what I got when I looked at her training. It was so thorough, step by step, because you don't want to miss doing a step that she says to do, right? So, so this is the Premier. Now, let me see here, Premier. And then this one is the live screen for CommentSold. I don't have a web store set up with CommentSold because I really haven't had time, and people still are able to, when they check out of their cart, items that they put in their cart when they watch me live, they're able to still find items to add to their cart. So I like that. But here's the live stream, and you just click, you have an app on your device that you go live on. It's a broadcast app. And then you get your screen going, and it has your picture, and then you go down here and you can choose dynamic selection, which I do use, and I use Lisa Abercrombie's system to actually make it really quick where I can choose dynamic selection. I don't do product selection, but that's an awesome option too. I just do dynamic, and that means I can scan my inventory. I use the Paparazzi barcodes in my Shopify as the SKU. And so Lisa Abercrombie's has shown a public training on how to just quickly do that. And then you choose where you go live. So this is the live screen. So then what else did I not show? Let me go over here. And then this is my Shopify store, shopbellablingbyNatalie.com. And so you can actually, this is what, for those who don't like what is a Shopify store? What does it look like? You can actually, it's a store, right? And people love it. And they can do all the things, and they can shop and get all kinds of things, right, that they want. So this is basically, I'm going to go back to my live screen wherever I am. I'm going to stop sharing. And hopefully, that helps a little bit. Maybe try to give you some comparisons and keep things in categories. So now I guess for me, I had to figure out, do I want to let go of CommentSold, Shopify, because I have Premier app? And for me, because I still go live, I can still use CommentSold, and it's benefiting me time-wise. And Shopify is benefiting me for those who are on Google or Bing or something, and they're searching for jewelry or paparazzi jewelry, they can find me. And for my Premier app, it'd be great for my customers that I already have, who really maybe some of them might not have time to watch a live, but they can quickly go, oh, app, that's going to be quick. Let me go shop and check out. All right. So those are my thinking. Those are my thoughts about the differences. All right. So I'd be curious to hear to read your comments. And again, if you're interested to know more about the opportunity, just message me or comment info. All right. And then check out my other YouTube trainings, and please because that really helps. It's just a quick check on the like button. It doesn't take much. And please subscribe, because I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers so I can then go live directly on YouTube. I appreciate you all. Okay. All right. Ciao, Bellas.